The art of the cocktail shaker more than meets the eye, bartending. It's not just a job, it's an adventure waiting to be poured. Behind the bar, you're not just mixing drinks, you're mixing with life. The good, the bad, and the thirsty. You're a craftsman, a therapist, and a comedian, all rolled into one. And the best part, you might just become rich and well-traveled along the way. Think about it. What other profession allows you to interact with people from all walks of life, master the art of crafting delicious concoctions, and potentially earn a small fortune in tips? Bartenders have the unique opportunity to connect with strangers, become friends, and maybe even meet their future significant others, although that's a story for another time. But it's not all fun and games. Being a bartender requires hard work, dedication, and a genuine love for the craft. You'll need to learn the classics, experiment with new flavors, and always strive to improve your skills. But trust me, the rewards are worth the effort. Shaking your way to a fatter wallet, tips, and tricks. Now let's talk money. While it's true that not every bartender becomes a millionaire, the potential for financial success is definitely there. Think about it. You're in the business of making people happy, and happy people tend to tip generously. A skilled bartender with a charismatic personality can earn a very respectable income, especially in upscale bars, nightclubs, or during busy events. Plus, the tips are usually cash, which means instant gratification, and maybe a little less temptation to spend it all in one place. But it's not just about the tips. As you gain experience and build a reputation for yourself, you can climb the ladder to higher-paying positions like head bartender, bar manager, or even beverage director. Who knows, you might even open your own bar someday. Adventures on tap from local bar to exotic locale. Now, let's talk travel. One of the greatest perks of being a bartender is the opportunity to travel the world, shaking and stirring your way to new and exciting destinations. With bartending skills in high demand globally, you could find yourself mixing cocktails on a sun-drenched beach in Bali, a bustling pub in London, or a swanky rooftop bar in Dubai. Many bars and restaurants offer international exchange programs or seasonal work opportunities, allowing you to experience different cultures, meet new people, and expand your bartending repertoire. Plus, who wouldn't want to get paid to travel and explore the world, one delicious drink at a time? But it's not just about the exotic locations. Even working at local bars can lead to travel opportunities. You might get to attend industry conferences, participate in cocktail competitions, or even get scouted for guest bartending gigs in other cities or countries. Section 4, Cocktail Legends, Proof that Dreams Can Be Mixed and Served. Don't just take my word for it. Throughout history, there have been countless examples of bartenders who have achieved incredible success and recognition in their field. Take Dale DeGroff, for instance. Known as the King of Cocktails, DeGroff is credited with reviving classic cocktail culture in the 1980s. He's written award-winning books, consulted for major spirits brands, and even has his own line of barware. Google fact Dale DeGroff was inducted into the James Beard Foundation's Who's Who of Food and Beverage in America in 2015. Then there's Sasha Petrasky, the mastermind behind the Speakeasy revival. He opened the legendary Milk and Honey in New York City, which sparked a global trend of hidden bars with a focus on quality ingredients and impeccable service. Google fact Sasha Petrasky sadly passed away in 2015, but his legacy lives on through the countless bars and bartenders he inspired. These are just a couple of examples of bartenders who have made it big. Their stories prove that with passion, dedication, and a little bit of luck, you too can achieve your dreams, one perfectly crafted cocktail at a time. Section 5, Beyond the Bar Skills for Life and Laughter. But the benefits of bartending extend far beyond financial rewards and travel opportunities. Behind the bar, you'll develop valuable life skills that will serve you well in any profession or personal endeavor. You'll learn how to multitask like a pro, handle pressure with grace, and resolve conflicts with a smile and maybe a stiff drink. You'll become a master communicator, able to strike up conversations with anyone, from CEOs to celebrities to the occasional eccentric regular. You'll develop a keen sense of observation, learning to read people's moods, anticipate their needs, and maybe even offer a listening ear or a shoulder to cry on. And let's not forget the humor. Bartending is a naturally funny profession. You'll encounter all sorts of characters and situations that will provide endless material for hilarious stories to share at parties, or maybe even in a book someday. Just remember to change the names to protect the innocent and the highly intoxicated. Section 6. Raise your glass to a future filled with possibilities. So if you're looking for a career that's challenging, rewarding, and just plain fun, then bartending might be the perfect fit for you. It's a profession that can take you around the world, introduce you to fascinating people, and maybe even make you a little bit richer along the way. Just remember to approach it with passion, dedication, and a genuine love for the craft. And who knows, maybe someday you'll be the one inspiring aspiring bartenders with tales of your own adventures behind the bar. Now go out there, shake things up, and see where the world of bartending takes you.